the session is really good. It's so amazing, and the facilitators are really doing a great job. They're putting in a lot of effort to instill this concept of servant leadership to all of us, and most importantly on the values, like the values that UST following. And I would proudly say that I am working in a company like UST, wherein they are giving so much importance to these values. I haven't been to any other company in my past 10 years of corporate life. I haven't been to any company which is giving such importance to these values and taking time to tell others or inform your other fellow employees on how these values are important. But it is a new concept. Like I have been in UST for the past 1 year, so I am comparatively new to UST, and this is a new concept. I was not aware of this servant leadership. Of course, after coming here, I have heard these words somewhere, through mails and all, but I have never practiced it, and this is a new concept. Yeah, definitely it will work, and our leaders are following it, right? If you take our leader, if you take Sunil, and I can relate to how much whatever has been told in the session and how he is, I can relate to each and every aspect when we take Sunil. So definitely it is going to work, and it will definitely work, and it is a life-changing session or life-changing thing. It's a servant leadership, and definitely it will work in UST or in all other organizations for that fact. Absolutely. Definitely I'll pass on this information to all my team members and all my other friends who are there in UST, and definitely will ask them to take up this session once it is back again in Kochi as well as in other locations. Definitely I'll do that.